Most athletes are aware that the recovery period is essential after physical activity. Besides hydration, there are two key factors that contribute to a proper recovery period following exercise: proteins and carbohydrates. Resistance exercise and high-intensity exercise stimulate muscle building. Therefore, our body needs protein for muscle growth and maintenance. On the other hand, resistance and high-intensity workouts heavily rely on carbohydrates as an energy source. H24 Rebuild Strength is a high-quality protein drink to help with the recovery and support of muscle mass growth post-strength and high-intensity training. It contains 25 grams of casein and whey protein, which are both recognized for their excellent amino acid content. It also includes 9 essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, which contributes to normal energy-yielding metabolism. H24 Rebuild Strength is fully tested for banned substances, contains only natural colours, flavours and sweeteners, with 190 calories per serving. Just mix with water and it's perfect to consume within 30 minutes following any physical activity. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.